Welcome. Today we're going to explore how to share an account link on Instagram. Whether you want to introduce a friend to a great profile or promote your own account, this updated guide will make it easy for you. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate. Step 2. Go to the desired account that you want to share. You can search for it using the search bar or find it in your feed. Step 3. Once you're on the profile page, tap the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Share this profile. This feature allows you to quickly get the link to that account. Step 5. Now that you've tapped that option, you can share the account link through Messenger or any other app you prefer. Just select your desired app and paste the link into your message. And there you have it. You've successfully shared an account link on Instagram. It's a straightforward process that helps you connect with others and spread the word about interesting profiles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.